In this video, we'll learn about the Flutter widgets, how to use it effectively. I use the word effective because it might be in the you can feel in the context of the application size, or in the context of the performance of the app, or in the context of the space that was occupied by the app. Okay, so the effective, it must be efficient, okay, and it is not to be repeated, okay. So the using the flutter widgets effectively, we have to know the two things, that is first, we have to create a custom widget, and after creating the custom widget we have to reuse it, okay. So reusable widgets and the custom widgets both are different things, okay. So the custom widgets are basically the widgets that is created by the user, okay. So basically it also enhances the properties of the widgets that provided by the Flutter, okay. Just as the text field, okay. Imagine the name and password field, okay. So not the password, name and email, okay. So name and email, only the hint name and some of the properties are changed, okay, but the text field is the same, okay. So you can create it custom and make it reusable. So we are making in that way. I created the complaint form so that you can understand clearly, okay. So the complaint page, let's go ahead. You can create a new project as I told in many videos. Body, that's the column. If you don't know how to use the widgets, I will create another video. Let me know in the comment section if you have doubts. So column, then let's say we have to create a widget, right? So arrangement is also matters to us. So let's create a directory of widgets. So the complaint pane should have the name and the email and one button send, okay. So that's it. So let's say text field widget, text field, you can make it stateless, text field widget, and the widget is it is like a simple gadget, okay. So you can use and display anything, okay. So it follows the material design of the Google, okay. So you can don't need to worry about that. I'm using Android Studio so that it can easy to develop the apps. So I'm using text field. In text field, here you should have the properties just like a controller, hint name, whatever the changeable properties that reusable widget contain, okay. So we are creating the custom widget right now. Text editing controller, hint name is also there, just make it final because after calling the values will not be changed. The keywords also matter, let me know if you don't know anything. Name, label name, let's say, and the okay, it's all right. Okay, that's it. Label name, should append this in this dot controller, this dot label name, this dot name, and also the icon. Let's say the icon, you can append whatever you need to pass. An icon, let's say there's an error because of not have required. Conventional will not be changed, okay. If you have the question mark right here, the required will not necessary to use, okay. So text field controller, but we are using a hint in text field, so decoration is needed. Decoration. you'll be familiar to use once you start the flutter widgeting. Okay, so icon is also there. Let's have icon first. Icon, we should have a hint name and a label. Okay, so anything missing? Name controller. Okay, we have used all. Let's give a border also. So, it can put outline into border radius, circular int. Okay, that's it. Yep. So let's coming to the. So we have created the text field. We create the custom widget here. Okay, in another file so that we can use this widget in our screen. Okay, so text field widget. Just import it. Controller, so we have to get the controller. It's a stateful widget as you see the my homepage default of Flutter one. Then let's create a text editing controller. Should be a name controller. So how many? It depends on the layout how you creating that. Okay. So name controller and the email controller. Okay. Append the name controller. Label name should be, let's say, name. Ink name. Your name. Icon. Let's say icon of person. So these are all the defined methods. If you want to format the code, just use Control Alt L. So just copy pasting so that I can use the email controller. Email, enter email, icon and the email. I guess we'll get okay. So size box at 16. Now so let's give a padding to the column so that will good padding. If you're getting warning, just use the const keyword. It's a new page by Flutter, by the way. Okay, that's it. Control S and you will see. Yep. So the name and the email is created by the custom widget, and we have successfully reused it also. Okay. So as you see here, looks good. Okay. So this manipulates the Flutter widgets to use it we use only one widget, right? Text field. Okay. And this class is reused. Okay. Means the text field is generated again. Okay. So need not to worry about that. You have so many functions on change. So you can by the use of the controller you can get the control of the strings that you written here. So you can use the on change method also by using the function definition. So let's create a button now. Size box of 24. I'm using material button just to complete this form. Okay, and lastly I will give you a task regarding this complaint form. Okay, so get ready. Let's send. Just use style. You don't know how to use style. Colors of white and the color of the material button. No. Let's print send complaint send. That's it. So user const. Okay. So let's do this. Control S. Okay, so send button appears here. As you see the complaint page, okay, the text field are reusable. So I have a task for you guys. Just create the material button custom widget and use it here. Okay. So and the print statement should also be written. I if I press enter, if I click the send button. Okay. So have this task and let me know in the comment section if you want more such like videos or you want more regarding the Flutter widgets. Okay. So thank you guys. Just keep sharing because someone might get help through these videos. Okay.